Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I did something in Scratch and I thought I'll show it off. It's a story of a six students and a teacher. That's what it is. But I did this on Scratch. As you can see, you can also do it. Not a sponsor, but I like to sponsor it. Just fun. Scratch is basically where you can code things and it's just... you have fun coding. But if you're not a real coding fan, you can play games that other people coded. And if you want, you can mess around with the code. But I don't think you can actually properly mess around with it. But if you actually can, make sure that you're not messing up the public code, please. Because do not do that. That is not cool. Because they spend a lot of time. I've seen some of them. And they literally made games. They made full working games. That is incredible. While I made an alphabetical key pressing button thing on my keyboard which makes a story. So I'll just show you the code after the story. But before we do that, I just need to quickly one sec everyone. Okay, so this is the school students teacher. Simple. Here it goes. Good morning, sir. Teacher says, dear students, today we are going to be seeing who can spell words faster. Students on the top row are group 1. Students on the bottom row are group 2. Understood? Yes, sir. Great. Group 1. Spell teacher says and. A and T, each from each student. Are you all saying the same word? Impossible. Oh, no way, never. Well, then you would get an F. Oh, oops, wrong one. Okay, so same word for group 2. A and T, each from each student. Are you all saying the same word? Yes. Marvelous! You would get an A plus. But how? Group 1 says. Well, if Group 1 said the answer right and work together, you will get an A plus. But you decided not to. Therefore, the answer is wrong. Whereas group 2 decided to work together, therefore getting an A plus, because A and T each letter from one student is wrong, whereas at is right. Okay. Oh, so to work together, so to win you need to work together. I'm sorry everyone, me too, me 3. Well, I guess today we learned that teamwork is dreamwork. Yeah, so cool, agreed, amazing. Going to go. I guess that's the bell. So I'll see you in the next class. Until then, bye. Yeah, that's the story. Yeah, I know it's very simple and you have to press keys on your keyboard to activate it, but I couldn't find a better way. So I'll show you how I coded this, if I can. Yeah, so this is the entire coding section here. I'm not sure if this is... Yeah, so you have motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. You can create your own block. That's all amazing. You can edit costumes, you can add backgrounds which are already made, you can paint yourself, or you can surprise, or you can upload. And same with the characters, it's called a sprite. You can also edit things. So I actually, for some reason I decided, bro, let's not use an actual teacher or an actual student. Because I've kept bow ties behind these characters. So they can, be speech. So they can, speak for the characters. Because for some reason I already made it. So just I wanted a default set, but I couldn't do that if I deleted the character. So I decided let's have a prop behind the character, so that even if I wanted to change this guy to a different person, like there's so many people here. Look, Abby, Avery, Batter, Ballerina, Ben, there's so many more people. Calret, Cassie Dance, probably going to get copyright because I think this is a copyright dance. But Kentor, Champ 99, Character 1, Character 2, everything. Cheese Puffs, come on, the greatest. A cat flying, city bus, crab, clouds, Dan, Danny, Dee, Devin. Devin is the teacher here that I made. So yeah, there's so many, and I and if I wanted to change it, I couldn't, because each character has its own code. Suppose Bowtie 2. This is Bowtie 2. So the Bowtie 2 is the teacher. Bowtie 1, which is Bowtie 2 is this one. See, it's having a blue circle, right? And this is Bowtie 1. Bowtie 1 is the whole class, but for this specific second command, it's group 1. So Bowtie 2 is the entire teacher, only teacher and teacher only. So each cat has its separate code, because I decided that was at the ending before I had the bow ties. So that is how that works. So it's basically very simple to code. Okay, so I'll just run it through how the code works. So you can also overlap things if you want to add effect. So here we are in the classroom, hiding the secret bow ties that talk. Okay, so it starts off with Bowtie 1. No, it's not Bowtie 1. It's okay. It's cat 3. No, cat 2. How did I code this again? Yes, sir. Where does good morning, sir happen here? I do not see a good morning, sir. I physically do not see a good morning, sir here. Where is the good morning, sir code I put? Okay, sorry everyone, I'm having trouble finding, but yeah, here. So Bowtie 1 is the class, so it says good morning, sir. And then Bowtie 2, the whole in. Yeah, this is a ton of code. The whole introduction. See, understood? Okay, and then the Bowtie 1 will be like, yes, sir. And then teacher will say, great. Each thing is controlled alphabetical order, so I just need to press keys alphabetically. So then after D, E, of course, so it will be group 1, please spell teacher's assistant. And are you also saying this? And then it will be Bowtie 1. No, it will be cat 1, 2 and 3 saying, cat 1 will say A, cat 2 will say N, cat 3 will say T, and the teacher will be like, are you all saying the same word? And then these people will be like, impossible. Oh, no way, never, right? So each one doesn't even say the same thing. And then the teacher's like, unfortunately you will get an F. Well, let's have group 2 tell the same answer. So after doing that, group 2, which will be 4, 5 and 6, will say A, N and T, right? So it will be going like that. So after doing the A and T thing, the teacher will again be like, are you all saying the same word? Then yeah, marvelous. Then each cat will be like, yes, yes, yes. And then the teacher will be like, marvelous, you would get a day. And then group 1 will be like, but how? And then the teacher will be like, put the full explanation. And then I guess today we'll learn that T-book is G-book, and then hooray, cool, hey, great, cool, awesome. Yeah, that's how it goes. So I'm going to give a basic introduction on how you create code. By the way, I'm finding problems on saving the file for some reason. Maybe you can figure it out. Maybe it's just my PC or something. But yeah, just for just to remember what I did, I'm doing this, recording it, because it's my only option. Please leave me alone. So you can do all of these things. Look, it starts off with the motion, to creating your own backdrop, to looks, to sound, to events, to control, to sensing, to operators, to variables, to my blocks, to even changing what you have made in the previous. Like, you can just change the whole code. Right? So it's just amazing. Very easy to use. Yeah. What more can I say? Yeah, you can also customize your whole thing. Like, for example, let's just do this. Like, I can just go up and see it appears here. So this is my drawing state. This is the actual stage. That's how that works. So this is the only thing that I could find that is related to a school, by the way. You can import your own pictures if you want. So that works. Scratch also doesn't allow you to code, but it also allows you to publish games, I think. Just, yeah. So I think if you join Scratch or sign in or something like that, you can actually have your thing published, like fully. Geez, I'm choking because of how insane this is. I actually spent like 1 day on this. Oh, day, yeah, that sounds like a lot of time. But for so much of code, it's like quite fast. So it's actually really easy to understand. It allows you can select things, like it goes from space to arrows to anything, to all the alphabets, to 1 to 9. So much, even 0. What more do you want? It's amazing. It's just the greatest. Okay, and control gives you so much. Like, you can wait, you can repeat, you can forever, and if blah blah blah, then you can do this, and then if then do this, and then else do this, or wait until, or repeat until. I don't know how to use this yet, so ignore that. So I just ignore that. But like when clicked, like this is button. You can also use this. And when stage clicked, when background switches to, when loudness, what, like this is just insane. Like it's never been so easy to code for me. Like, I always thought coding was hard, but it's kind of easy. Not really. It's not so easy, but yeah, it's amazing. So yeah, that's my sketch. You can also make your own sound. Like, look at this. It's a pop, pop. And if I select cat, yeah. Bro, seriously? Bro. And there's a whole thing of this. Look, a piano, a guitar. I'm choking on this. Look at this, a basketball, a basket. How much more do you want? I know instead of the and the teacher saying it, I could have done a noise, but the noise didn't work for some reason. Yeah, but that's how it is. Amazing. So yeah, that's it. So I guess outro time. Thank you guys for watching that video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, share the video. Thank you guys for watching it. Bye.